This is LISD TV here in the Idea Factory behind the spot.
My name is Hunter Smith. I run part of the spot. This is the Idea Factory. This is where we keep all of our inventory.
How is business so far?
Pretty good. We're selling a lot. Lots of customers. Making a lot of money.
Let's see what's on the menu here at the spot.
Today we have our generic stuff that we have all the time, like Fago drinks, Calypso, Rip It. We also have an assortment of different candies such as Sour Patch Kids, Pretzel Bites, ice cream sandwiches, all that good stuff.
I can see they're all selling pretty well. Tell me what's in that box right there.
I got the BLT meal, some chips, a cookie, macaroni salad, and a BLT. Currently waiting on the corn chowder.
We are learning what it's like to manage a store, the different nuances, all the different jobs.
How did you figure out what you wanted to sell?
We looked at what sold the best last year at the spot, and we put most of the most popular things on there. We also looked at our options and thought what we would like to eat and what other people would like to eat.
Good strategy. What's the best thing here? Would you suggest anything to the audience at home?
The lunch of the week is
Lunch of the
definitely
week. Great
What's
variety.
it this week?
right here.
There's the turkey.
Gotta give a shout out to the culinary kids. They're just doing an awesome job.
Really thriving here at the Tech Center.
Thriving.
We also have corn roasted chowder, turkey and cheddar sandwiches, BLTs, ham sandwiches. Those are all specialties from the culinary class that they make themselves.
Okay, now let's go check with culinary. Now we've gotten up close and personal with the chefs behind the spot.
Second years, we usually take care of all the baking and all that stuff, so all the desserts that are at the spot, pretty much all us. And the first years actually take care of a lot of like the sandwiches and the soups and all the delicious food that you guys like to buy up there. Usually when we're like preparing like the sandwiches and the soups and all that stuff, we usually go like a day or two in advance so that we make sure that we have all the correct stuff finished so that we can feed everyone at the spot.
And do you like being a part of the spot?
I really do like being a part of the spot because it gives us a chance to have our peers judge the food that we make, and it's just kind of like gratifying.
I've just interviewed a couple customers. Have you been to the spot before?
I'm a weekly customer.
We're actually on the rewards program.
And they love what you do. You are the reason there's such a long line at the spot right now.